Hi everyone, in this video we will learn how to change the text on hover in JavaScript. As you can see, I got h1 element, the text is James. Now when I will take my mouse over this h1 element, it will change to Peter. Also when I will take my mouse off, text will be restored back to James. For the sake of simplicity, I am using h1 element here, but the approach which I am going to show you will work with any text-based element such as span element, paragraph element, or even a div element. So let's get started. I'm using VS Code as my code editor. Let's create an index file, index.html. Let's have a basic HTML structure here. Add a link to the style sheet. That will be style.css. Add a script file at the bottom. That will be script.js. And here we only need h1 element. Text will be James. Save it. Let's create a style sheet here. Style.css. Select the body element. Background color will be cornflower blue. Select the h1 element. Margin will be 50 pixel and auto. Padding will be 10 pixels. Border will be 2 pixels solid white. Border radius will be 5 pixels. Width will be 300 pixels. Color will be white. Background color will be brown. Text align will be center. Save it. Open this file in the browser to see the output. So this is the output. Now let's work on the script file. Create script.js here. Select the h1 element. Let's call it head element. We'll select it by the tag which is h1. Now here we need to attach two events to it. The first one will be mouse over. The second one will be mouse out. This will be the handler function. So this event will get triggered when we'll take our mouse over the h1 element. In that case, we'll change the text. And here we'll utilize the text content property and set it equal to Peter. Now just copy and paste it. The next event is mouse out. This will get triggered when the mouse will leave the element. In that case, we'll restore the text which is James. Save it. Now go to browser. Now let's take the mouse over the h1 element and see if it is working or not. So we are getting a Peter here. Let's take the mouse off and we are getting the James back. So I hope you understood how to change the text on hover in JavaScript. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.